Welcome to the second video in Chapter 2 about how DeskDirector works. In the first lesson of this chapter, we went over the ticket management process. And in this video, we will introduce you to what ticket management looks like in DeskDirector and why it stands out in the market. In the first part of the video, we will remind you of the 4 players in the ticket management game and highlight how DeskDirector stands out with its ethos. Then we will show you how the ticket management process works in DeskDirector itself and highlight some of our awesome features. Then we will give an example of a ticket going through the life cycle using DeskDirector. To conclude, we'll summarize how DeskDirector works and distinguishes itself as a ticket management software. Now let's recap on the players of the ticket management game. There are 4 key players: the customer organization and the service requesters that work within it, and the service organization and the tech agents who work within it. The customer organization and the service requesters are the ones that seek and receive IT support services and submit tickets. They may also be referred to as clients or users. The service organization and the tech agents are the people who provide IT support and resolve tickets. They are also known as IT support persons, service, or help desk analysts or technicians. In short, the service requester from the customer organization has a tech issue and submits a ticket to the tech agents from the service organization, who use the tools at their disposal to resolve the issue. DeskDirector serves as the bridge connecting these key players, streamlining the IT service ticketing process for everyone involved. As a central hub, linking the customer organization, service requesters, and tech agents together, DeskDirector facilitates seamless communication, efficient collaboration, and effective IT service delivery. By connecting these players, DeskDirector enhances the overall IT service management process, leading to improved productivity, enhanced user satisfaction, and optimized IT operations. DeskDirector's standout ethos lies in its emphasis on enhancing both the user experiences for customer organizations and service organizations, diverging from other ticket management software solutions that only prioritize the service organizations. The platform is built with all users in mind, ensuring that the interface is intuitive, user-friendly, and easy to navigate for not just tech agents resolving tickets, but the service requesters submitting tickets as well. The seamless experience for both tech agents and service requesters fosters efficient communication and problem resolution within the ticket management system, increasing business productivity, enhanced problem resolution efficiency, and improved overall customer satisfaction. At the heart of DeskDirector are 3 distinct portals, each catering to specific user roles and responsibilities: the client portal, the tech portal, and the admin portal. We will briefly explore how these portals work together seamlessly to streamline your IT support operations and deliver exceptional service experiences, and later you can complete their respective courses to deeper understand their useful features. First up, we have the client portal. This portal serves as the primary interface for the service requesters in the customer organization. It provides them with a convenient platform to submit support requests, track ticket progress, communicate with your support team, and access knowledge base articles. Next up, we have the tech portal. The tech portal is designed for the tech agents in the service organization. Here, they can efficiently manage incoming tickets, communicate with clients, collaborate with team members, track performance metrics, and prioritize tasks. And finally, we have the admin portal. The admin portal serves as the command center for the more senior tech agents who work as administrators and managers of the service organization. It offers robust tools for configuring a multitude of system settings, building forms for service catalogs, managing permissions, customizing user portals, analyzing data insights, and optimizing the overall DeskDirector experience. Each portal is equipped with intuitive features tailored to the specific needs of its users. Remember that the client portal is used by the service requesters from the customer organization, while the tech portal is used by tech agents, and the admin portal is used by managers, both from the service organization. From ticket submission to resolution, DeskDirector's portals empower every stakeholder in the IT service management process. Now, we'll explore some key features of DeskDirector to demonstrate how it can enhance your workflows, simplify your daily tasks, and ultimately make your life easier. Let's start with forms. DeskDirector forms make ticket management so much easier. This is a feature that is accessed through the admin portal. They allow the service organization to prepackage specific questions and attach them to certain preset types of service requests, so that when a service requester has one of the common issues preempted by the service organization and listed in the service catalog, they are asked all the relevant questions about that issue, without needing a tech agent present at the time of the issue. This means that when a user submits a ticket for that issue, they will be prompted to answer all the relevant prepackaged questions pertaining to that issue as designed by the service organization. This way, tickets are created with relevant information about an issue, so that the tech agent can solve it as efficiently as possible. Now let's talk about multiple devices. Access DeskDirector anytime, anywhere, across multiple devices. Whether you're in the office, on-site, or working remotely, DeskDirector ensures seamless access to essential tools and resources. With consistent functionality and user experience across devices, you can stay productive and responsive regardless of your location or device. Time to get into contact groups. Every company or organization has several ways to group their employees. Groupings can be per location, branch, teams, departments, roles, and many other customizable categorizations of employees. We call these contact groups, and they can be used in several ways to make things more efficient in DeskDirector. Contact groups are useful for three main things. 1. Contacts in the same group can see all the submitted tickets of the group if they have that visibility permission toggled on. This is useful, for example, in a hotel with a broken printer at the front desk. All the front desk staff are in a contact group, which allows them to see each other's submitted tickets. This prevents several different tickets for the same printer issue being submitted, streamlining communication and allowing every relevant staff member to see the support updates on that printer. 2. You can also now assign certain request types to a certain contact group. The way, certain users can only use specified request types to create tickets under the group. For example, you can create an HR contact group and configure it so that only the manager of each department of a business can create HR-related tickets. Within that group, the manager of HR itself will have permissions to approve tickets, and regular users of the group can add additional info to help the process of the ticket. 3. And finally, contact groups can be used to scope approvals, which is up next. Instead of the old global permission mechanism, where people from IT would get approval requests intended for the billing team, you can now use contact groups to direct approvals to specific contacts. Time to talk about approvals. With the Approvals feature, users can submit requests or actions that require authorization or validation from designated approvers before they can be executed or implemented. For example, a user may submit a ticket in the user portal for a new PC. The service organization might set up the ticket so that any new PC request needs to be approved by a manager in the user's team. As aforementioned, approvers can now be managed and allocated under contact groups instead of granting and applying an approver permission globally. Now on to notifications. Notifications are a feature on both the client portal and tech portal. They can appear via the notifications page or as push notifications or emails. They usually notify either the service requester of an update made by a tech agent to a ticket they submitted, or notify a tech agent of a modification or approval made to a ticket by a user. Either way, they play a vital role in keeping both the customer and service organizations notified and up to date on relevant activities, events, and actions happening within their organizations. The source and method of notifications are customizable. Let's move on to the chat feature. Foster seamless communication and collaboration with DeskDirector's integrated chat feature. Whether you are a service requester needing to engage in real-time conversations with clients or tech agents, with chat, you enhance client satisfaction and communication effortlessly and facilitate swift problem resolution and proactive client engagement. Now let's talk about the Learning Center. The Learning Center is a feature in the client portal that allows an organization to provide learning materials for its users. The Learning Center is a great way to educate your clients and share documents with them. You can also link to videos and files hosted online. And now the last of the key features we will highlight in this lesson, task lists. Task lists are essentially checklists for tickets. Admins can create templates and attach them to certain types of service requests, or add them manually and ad hoc to a ticket. They help to track progress of a ticket's management and help streamline tech agents' workflow by breaking down the steps of how to deal with a particular issue. They also help to make standard operating procedure consistent for different agents. This was just a brief overview of some of the awesome features that DeskDirector has to offer, but there is much more functionality to be discovered about each feature and more features to discover too. Look out for knowledge base articles about these features and other courses in the Academy that go into depth about them. But first, on to an example of a ticket's life in DeskDirector's 3 portals. Now we'll explore the portals through the dynamic lifecycle of a ticket within the DeskDirector ecosystem, from its inception to resolution. We will follow a simplified example of a service requester who wants a new PC. Before even submitting a ticket, it all begins with the diligent work of managers in the admin portal, who meticulously craft the service catalogs where you submit tickets in the first place. For example, an admin will create things called request type items that make it easier to request help for a certain issue, such as for requesting a new PC. This will enable a user to submit a ticket to request a new PC and kickstart the ticket lifecycle. For example, a user can submit a ticket requesting a new PC. Then we move on to the next steps in the lifecycle. Note that some settings like priority will be pre-configured into the type of ticket by an admin and automated when the ticket is created. You can learn more about that later in the Service Catalog Basics course. After the service requester submits their ticket for a new PC, the tech agent will see the ticket in their portal. As per the ticket lifecycle, they have to triage and decide what needs to be done, prioritized as previously mentioned. This will be automated, and so the tech agent will have to reassess the issue and determine if the preset priority needs to be escalated or de-escalated, and who should be assigned to this ticket. The tech agent will go away and find a PC as per the information provided by the service requester. If they need any more information from the service requester, they can reach out via the portal and give other updates. Once the PC is locked in, paid for, received, delivered, and set up, the ticket will be closed and a survey will be communicated to the service requester for feedback on the tech agent's ticket management. That was only a brief example. There is so much more to explore and customize within DeskDirector to make life easier for both the customer and service organizations. To summarize, DeskDirector distinguishes itself by also prioritizing the customer organization's user experience, unlike other ticket management software that only focus on the service organization. DeskDirector functions using 3 portals: client, tech, and admin, which function together to streamline the ticket management process. DeskDirector also has some key features, such as forms, chat, contact groups, notifications, the Learning Center, approvals, and task lists. But there is so much to explore, so each of these portals have their own dedicated course for you to take, and there are even more courses in this academy on the various features embedded into them. We look forward to you harnessing the full potential of DeskDirector, empowering you to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and unlock new possibilities in your IT support work. Next lesson we will be covering some more basic terms and concepts to make it easier for you to navigate the rest of the courses.